Alright, this is Brennan and Seamus. We're making brownies, and our ingredients are cocoa powder, shortening, sugar, eggs, vanilla, flour, baking powder, and salt.
And we are using a brownie pan made of glass. Don't know why I said that. A bowl for mixing, pan, measuring cups, more measuring cups, and measuring spoons, and spatula, and a handheld mixer.
Alright, now we're gonna wash our hands because hygiene. Alright, nice clean hands. So we're gonna start off by preheating the oven to 350 degrees, which it is already at, because I did that earlier.
There it goes, it's ready.
Now we are going to grease the 9x30. Okay, we're gonna grease the pan.
Yeah, it's enough.
Make sure you get the sides.
And we gotta melt the shortening in a large saucepan. So I'm gonna go get that.
Okay, we're gonna use this. Oh yeah, we used mise en place. We got everything in there.
Okay, Brendan is
Okay, we got
that going.
I
Okay.
need the shortening, so 3/4 cup of shortening.
And stir to cook. Okay, where's shortening? That's baking powder. Vanilla extract. Where's the shortening?
Silver package.
Silver?
Silver,
This?
yeah.
Got it. Okay, this is shortening.
Look at the measure on the side.
Oh, okay. 3/4 cup.
3/4 cup. Okay.
I got it.
Okay, so you'll need a knife.
I know. Boys,
But
I had faith in you. Okay?
That's Grammy.
It'll be yummy. Maybe.
Cocoa powder ready.
Hey, Brendan, what'd you just do?
Melting the shortening.
Okay, on the stove.
And then we have to add cocoa powder when it's ready. And I don't know when it's. Okay, how much cocoa powder? Just right. How much cocoa powder? 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. That's 1/4. 1/3. 1/2.
Oh, that's really hot.
Good job. So 1/4. So we're just gonna scoop it up 3 times. Okay, we gotta add this in.
Got it.
Don't make a mess.
Can I get the knife?
Wait, how much did you need?
3/4 cup, but this is 1/4, so we'll just
Okay.
scoop it 3 times.
Hold on, Seamus. You gotta get the knife. Knife action.
Okay.
Good enough.
What did you touch?
It might have been hot water. No.
Yeah.
What you guys doing?
We are testing if it is baked.
Nope.
Nope.
How long's it been?
30 minutes.
Okay. And there's the alarm
Just got water. Do we have a scrubber?
at the bottom underneath, right side.
Hard.
Nessa. You're gonna go to Nessa?
What does that need to be dried? It's going in a... Oh, no.
Look at the boys. Woo. I'm so proud.
Oh, that's wrong water.
Seriously.
Yeah, I don't think we'll show enough time to put all these.
There's no way she can walk on this.